In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve the certificate error. Doesn't matter whatever you receive, whatever type of error it is, but if it is a certificate error on a particular website due to security concern, here is how you can easily resolve that. First of all, I recommend you to check if other websites are causing the same error or showing the same message or problem. If that's the case, because sometimes whenever this problem appears and it is appearing from every website, it might be the antivirus issue. So you might need to turn it on or turn it off in order to see that. And also you want to make sure that you are connected to the right network, and also make sure that the date and time settings are correct. So once we made sure of that and still the problem is not resolving, here's a quick solution for you. First of all, we open the start menu and we write here settings. And on the left hand side, we click on time and language, like I said, and we click on date and time to set the time and date automatically, because that might be the root of a lot of problems or a lot of errors. So just make sure that you enable all the time zones and time and date set to automatic. All of these should be toggled on, and just make sure that the time and date is showing correctly here once you sync that up. And after that, just close out of here, and you might need to restart your PC once in order to make that effective. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.